All right, so here we have a person with $14,000 trying to decide whether to purchase a new car now or invest the money at 6.5% compounded semi-annually and then buy a more expensive car. So basically, the whole question deals with how much will be available for the purchase of a car at the end of 3 years. All right, so we have our P is equal to 14,000. T is in this case 3 years. And our rate is 0.065 and it's semi-annual. So what we have to do is plug it in and say, what do we get? So that's going to be 14,000 times 1 plus 0.065 divided by 2 for semi-annual, and then 2 times 3 years. So what do we get with that? We get, clear that, clear that. So we had 14,000 times 1 plus 0.065 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 times 3. Now it looks like everything's good there. So $16,961.66. All right, so $16,963.66. So that's how much they would have for purchase of a car in 3 years from now. What about this one? In a suburb, housing costs have been increasing at 5.2% per year compounded annually for the past 8 years. A house worth $260,000 now would have had what value 8 years ago? All right, well, that means that this is the future value. So that's going to be A is equal to 260,000. The rate was 0.052 per year annually, and time was equal to 8 years. And so now we're looking for P. Okay, so we plug everything in. 260, 1, 2, 3, equals P times 1 plus 0.052 divided by 1 raised to the 1 times 8. So now we're just going to divide by 1 plus 0.052 over 1 to the 1 times 8. And same thing over here. And if we simplify it, that's 1.052 to the 8th. So that's just 1. So that's just that plus that. And 1 times 8 is 8. So now P then is going to be equal to, now we just take 260,000. All right, divided by the 1.0552 raised to the power 8. And so $173,319.50. And if we got a number that was bigger, we know we've done something wrong. So if it's before and it's been increasing, we better come up with a number smaller than. So we have to kind of think about these things when we're doing it. If we get a number that doesn't make sense, then we have to think about why doesn't it make sense. So always think about your questions. And this one, it better be smaller than this, which it is, and so we should be okay. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.